Hello guys, welcome to EduCartech, and today we are going to start with the part 1 of exercise 11.3. So, this is first video on this exercise 11.3. In previous videos, I have made 3 parts of an exercise 11.2. If you have not seen, then you please see them, okay? And if you have done that exercise, then no need to see them, okay? So, let's continue. In our first question, there are 2 subparts, first subpart and second subpart. So it is given that there is a cone which has radius 6 centimeter and height 7 centimeter in the first part, and we have to find volume. We know that volume of cone. What is the volume of cone? I've told you in the chapter that formula video I made of 36 minutes. The volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. I've also given you the application that, like, when you take a circular, like when you take a cone and that, what we say, yes, cylinder, and you put that cone inside the cylinder, and they have the same base, so the volume of cone will be the 1/3 of volume of cylinder. Okay, so 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into r, radius is 6, 6 into 6 into 7, 7 7 cancel, 3 2 6, 6 to 12, 12 into 22, 12 into 22 will be 24, 24 x 264. Okay, our answer will be 264 centimeter cube, since it is volume. Now next one, again we know that volume of cone equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h equal to 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into radius is 3.5, and once more 3.5 into 12, 12 as we require. Okay, so 12. Now 7, 3.5, this would be 2, 11, or 3, not cancelling, yes, 3, 4, 12. So 3.57, 14, which means 14 into 11, 154 centimeter cube. Okay, now let's come to our next question. Now in next question, we have to find out the capacity of these vessels in liter. So this is going to be an interesting question. Okay, so let's take a red marker and start. So basically what we have to do, we have been provided with slant height, and one of the things from radius and heights are missing. Okay, so basically we will have to firstly find out the radius or the height, and then we have to find out the volume, and at last we have to divide it by 100, then we'll get the capacity, I mean divide by 1000, then we will get the capacity in liter cube. Okay, so now L equals to root of h square plus r square. So 25 equals to root of h square plus 6 square. Okay, so 625. So this will get cancelled and here it will come square. So 625 equals to h square plus 36. 625 minus 36 equals to h square. Okay, so what we'll get? 625 minus, are the values correct? Let me see first of all. I might have made a mistake. Yes, it is 7 centimeter. So it would be 6 square, no, 7 square 49. So it would be h square. Here it would be 49. This would be 576 equals to h square. So we know that 576 is the square of 24. So it would be 24 centimeter. Volume equals to 1 by 3. No, instead of volume just write capacity equals to 1 by 3 into pi means 22 by 7 into radius is 7 into 7 into height. Height is 24. Cancel 8. So 22 into 7 into 8. 8 7s are 56. So 56 into 56 into 22. So okay, 56 into 2 is 112. 112. So 2 3 2 1 1 2 3 2. Okay, 1 2 3 2. Yes, 1 2 3 2 liters. No, 1 2 3 2 divided by 1000 also, as we have to convert, divided by 1000. So it would be 1.232 liters. Okay, 1.232 liters, or you can say 1 liter 232 ml. Now let's see the next question. L is 13, H is 12. So L square equals to H square plus R square. 13 square equals to 12 square plus radius square. So it would be 169 minus 144 equals to R square. R square equals to 25. So R will be 5 centimeter. Now we'll find the capacity in liters. Will be 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 5 into 5 into 12 divided by 1000. So it would be 3 4 and 5. It would be 5 to the 10. Yes, 240. So 11 20 and 4 5. So it would be 11 by 35. Okay, and like I think there's a mistake. No, yes, I'm correct. The values are correct. This would be only the answer. Okay, so this is over. Now let's continue with the next question. Now this will be the last question of our video. Okay, so over here it is given that there is a right circular cone whose base base radius we have to find out. Volume is 1570 centimeter cube. Yes, it is a cone only. Yes, and height is 15 centimeter. We have to use pi equals to 3.14. Let's continue. We know that volume 1 by 3 pi r square h. Am I right? Okay, so 1570 into 1570 into 3 into 1 upon, so it would be 3.14. So 1 upon 3.14 1/4 multiplied by height, which is 1/15, equals to r square. Okay, remember r square, these values will go there and become 1 upon. So if we remove this, it would be 100. So this will be 5 times 500, 3 the 1500, 5, 3, 15 cancel, r square equals to 100 and r equals to 10 centimeters. Okay, this was a very easy calculation. As you can also do this very easily. Okay, and I'm damn sure you might have understood all these questions. Okay, so this video is over. As I've told you, this was our next question, and in next video we'll continue with the questions. Till then, bye bye, and hope you not miss the next part.